Hey guys, it's Diane Mary and I'm here to talk to you and show you a demo of Olaplex 1 and 2. 1 and 2 from Olaplex is the treatment, or if you add it to color or anything, it is from professional stylists. I have a friend that was kind enough to get it for me, so I've been using it once a month since I think before my wedding. So I think I started in August and it's really fantastic. I use number 3, which I have over here, and you could get this at Sephora. I use this every single week, and then the 1 week a month I don't use it. I go in with 1 and 2, which is the strongest strength, and I've had a lot of questions about it, so I figured let me just hop on here. I finally recorded myself applying it earlier this morning. This is day 1 hair. It's freshly washed. It is 90% dry. My roots are still slightly damp, but for the most part it's dry. I diffused a little bit and then I got tired and I'm like, alright, I'm done going out later, so you know. So this is actually the Olaplex. This is a traveling stylers kit, and I got this to try it out. When I get more, I will be going in for the huge sizes because they are incredible. So this little kit in particular came with 3 things. It came with number 1, which you could see I'm almost out of. I have 1 or 2 treatments left. This lasted me at least 7 times, so I'm pleased. It comes with this thing that you use with number 1, which I'll get to in a minute. Then it also came with 2 bottles of number 2. One of my bottles of number 2 is completely gone. Used it all up, and now I'm on my second bottle. So if you don't know what Olaplex is a bond builder. It is not a conditioner. You still need to use a conditioner when using Olaplex. It just helps to strengthen the hair, to repair the hair, especially if you do chemical treatments, which I do not. February will be 4 years since I put any color or anything in my hair, but if you do use that type of stuff, you should definitely be doing Olaplex to protect your hair. But also for people like me who we don't color our hair, chemically treat our hair, it's really good to help repair the damage of environmental aggressives, you know, wind, sun, bitter, dry, cold, everyday wear and tear, throwing your hair up, touching your hair, just, you know, everyday hair habits that you might not even realizing are damaging your hair are damaging. So this helps repair it. And what I noticed since regularly incorporating Olaplex, even number 3, is that my curls have more defined definition. I suffered a bad hair disaster probably 4.5 years ago. Not going to get into it, but been coming back from that, and Olaplex has been helping to save my hair from the damage. What else does it say on this box? Is there anything I want to read? It does just say that it's not a magic wand. You could push the envelope and talking about color and stuff, so since I'm not coloring, you could go check that out elsewhere if you want. It is free of silicone, sulfates, phthalates, DEA, aldehydes, and is against animal testing, which is fantastic. So how you do number 1 and 2, it's really simple, whereas number 3 is you just put it on like one and done and let it sit. It's just one more step. And number 1, which I've heard that people could do number 2 without using number 1 and it still comes out fine. I've never tried, but number 1, this is the step that you'll put on first, and you'll see me demo it at the end too, and I'll probably go over it again, but you squeeze about 1/2 ounce up, which is why this thing comes in. You'll put it in and you'll see that it'll go to the top. You mix it with water and you fully saturate your hair. I use 1 and 2. I wet and shampoo my hair first, so my hair is as clean as it could be, so that my hair could take all the Olaplex that it could get in, and also it just maximizes the effectiveness. I personally found some people use it on dry hair and get good results as well. So put that all over. Leave it in 5 to 10 minutes alone. Then I go right in with number 2 on top. And number 2 is basically a super concentrated version of number 3. So actually, when I use up all my number 3 bottles, I actually might just stick and try number 2 weekly and see how that goes. Just because as much as I love number 3, number 2 is even next level for me. So then I put this on top of number 1. Hair is still damp. You'll see it again, and I just let it sit and hang out as long as I can. I usually put it on and then I go to work out, so it's on at least an hour, a little bit more. Then I just wash, condition. It's important to condition since that this is not a conditioner. Style my hair as usual, and my hair is extra shiny. I got extra definition, extra bounce, and minimal frizz, and it just makes my hair look the best it could be. So really, really love it. I tend to save this for like before big events, so like my birthday. That's why I'm going out tonight to celebrate my birthday. By the time I upload this, my birthday will be past. But really just good stuff. If you find that you have any damage, if you have, like my hair is really high porosity, very unmanageable, very frizzy, very hard to tame, I definitely suggest adding Olaplex to your routine regularly and seeing if it does anything for you. So yeah, let's get to the demo.